Recently I got my hands on the Roborock Qrevo Master and I'm very excited to share my experience. This device is packed with smart features that will automate home cleaning. From reactive 3D obstacle avoidance to self-cleaning mop pads and self-emptying dust bins. It's designed to simplify your life by automating home cleaning while being able to self-clean. The common question when it comes to robot vacuums is, do they have enough power to replace the regular ones? With Roborock Qrevo Master, you have 10,000 Pascal units of suction power, which is certainly enough to tackle dust and rubbish on both hardwood and carpets with ease. The suction power is adjustable in the app using 4 different levels, as well as the mop water flow from low, medium and high. The robot intelligent carpet detection automatically increases suction on carpets for a better cleaning, while lifting up the mop pads to prevent wet contact. However, the auto mop lifting is limited in height, so it won't be suitable for all the carpet types. Proper corner and edge cleaning is essential when it comes to robot vacuums, and it's not easy to get right. However, this model features a flexible arm side brush that extends to reach corners, creating a 90-degree cleaning angle that fits into corners perfectly, and with its circular brushes extending during mopping to also clean around the edges. The Roborock claims to cover 100% of edges and corners, and this seems to be quite accurate, as we no longer need to follow up with manual cleaning in those hard-to-reach spots. The Roborock Qrevo Master also navigates around your home really well. It uses a LiDAR sensor to map your home, creating an accurate layout which is then used to plan efficient cleaning routes. The map is visible in the app and updates accordingly when something changes in between the runs. The vacuum can also operate in low light conditions thanks to its built-in light. It can skillfully navigate around obstacles and avoid getting stuck in tight spaces, ensuring an uninterrupted automated cleaning experience. Equipped with front-facing RGB camera, it can identify, map and maneuver around 62 types of objects of different sizes, from small items like socks or cables to larger obstacles like furniture or toys. The vacuum operates quietly, even on the highest suction settings, maintaining low noise levels. This makes it convenient to run at any time of the day. It shouldn't disturb young children during sleep or those who are sensitive to noise. Now we all know that in the past, robot vacuum suction power and mopping ability used to struggle a little with cleaning up liquids, especially when there was a lot of it or maybe some of it has been a bit dry. But let's see if Roborock Qrevo Master can overcome these challenges with its spinning mops. First, I have spilled some carrot juice and milk on my kitchen tiles and let them sit for a few hours. I mean, it's not completely dry, but this is still a hard test because dried liquid can be more complex to remove. And as you can see, the Roborock easily tackled the dry spills. The mopping feature works really well, leaving no marks after the first run. Next, I have dropped some seeds to see how well the device will vacuum them off the floor. Surprisingly, it vacuumed them with no problems at all. So it's safe to conclude that the suction power should be good enough for daily use. Now let's see how well it handles the white rice on the carpet. Carpets can be tricky since they require more suction power. However, the Roborock had to go over area twice, but it has picked up all the rice. What's really cool is that it has identified the dirty area and automatically has adjusted its cleaning pattern. Finally, I have spilled a lot of fresh carrot juice on the floor, just to see how well it can manage when there is more liquid. has done a great job cleaning up the juice, but I had to sand it again because the floor was still a bit sticky at the end. Also, due to the amount of liquid, I had to initiate an extra mop pass clean as they were still a bit dirty at the end. However, with a 10,000 of Pascal units of suction power and an extending side brush, I believe we are at this stage where we can forget about the traditional vacuuming, and as you no longer need to follow up with manual cleaning. Plus, in my experience, the spinning mop pads do a better job than sonic mopping, providing a more consistent clean, especially with harder stains and larger spills. If you're looking for a reliable mopping and vacuuming robot that will last you for years, the Roborock Qrevo Master is definitely worth considering. When mopping, if it encounters a particularly soiled area, it might return to its dock for a self-cleaning cycle before automatically returning for a second pass. Additionally, in the app you can set how often it returns to clean the pads based on how dirty the floor is. The battery performance is also quite decent, with the device capable of cleaning around 65 square meters in about 40 minutes while retaining over half of the charge on max settings. If you ever speculated what your floor looks like from the vacuum perspective, well, you don't need to anymore. Now we can spy on it in real time through the built-in camera. You can manually control the vacuum by using the buttons on the screen, giving you precise control over its movement. Additionally, you can pin a location on the map and the vacuum will go there directly. Or you can set the cruise points for it to follow a specific path. And if you're away from home and you want to check up on your pet, you can even ask it to find it, providing you the peace of mind on those rare occasions. The Qrevo Master looks elegant when docked. It's available in both white and black. However, the design could be improved, as the exposed water containers are not particularly aesthetically pleasing. Despite this, the Qrevo Master features a multifunctional docking station that handles a variety of tasks, from cleaning the mop pad to self-refilling the water, with two separate containers for clean and dirty water to refill between the cleaning sessions. The dock also automatically empties the dustbin with enough capacity to hold about 2 to 3 months worth of derbies. After use, the mop is cleaned with 60 degrees hot water and then dried using 45 degrees warm air to prevent any smells and mold growth. Although the dock has built-in scrapers for self-cleaning, it will accumulate some dirt over time. Fortunately, the maintenance is simple, as the parts are easily removable and hand-washable. Thanks to a dual spinning mop system that maintains constant pressure, it scrubs floors up to 200 times per minute, while the brush effectively picks up both small and larger rubbish, and even pet hairs, thanks to its counter-rotation design. These opposite motions help to loosen dirt from various surfaces, making it easier for the device to collect them. The app is incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, with all the important features conveniently accessible on the main screen. First, the app offers configuration of the different working settings, including vacuum and mop, mop only, or the vacuum only. The settings for each are quite consistent, however there are some differences in each of the modes. The standout feature here is the Smart Plan, which learns and adapts to your space and cleaning habits. That means the device will create a customizable cleaning plan tailored specifically to your home and lifestyle. There are different cleaning modes available. You can choose a full house clean, where the device will cover every inch of your home, or, on the other hand, you can choose to clean individual rooms or even specific zones by drawing them directly on the map within the app. Pretty useful if you need to clean a specific area due to an accident. Although for those who prefer a routine-based cleaning, you can set the robot to clean after meals or use the D+ settings for a more detailed mopping. From the dock control view, you can empty the vacuum, dustbin, wash the mop pads, or even start drying them. Additionally, the settings will allow you to customize different parameters to suit your house needs. You can specify how often the mop pads should be washed, choose the washing mode and temperature, set the duration for the pad drying, and even determine the dustbin emptying mode. The Roborock Qrevo Master is an impressive robot vacuum. With its powerful suction and dual spinning mop system, it effectively handles dust, debris and spills on different surfaces. The flexible arm side brush and advanced edge cleaning features ensures that even hard to reach corners are cleaned effectively. The device AI navigation and self-cleaning capabilities for both moped and dustbin minimize manual maintenance, so I can sit back and relax in a clean home. It has been a valuable investment to automate my home cleaning that is capable of maintaining a spotless home with absolute minimal effort.